Hey, I'm Joel with Idaho Drainage Solutions. Today, we're at Matt's house in Star, where we just helped solve a huge drainage problem. When Matt first called, he had over a foot of water in some of the places in his crawl space, enough to cause some serious damage. Let's take a look at how water got in and what you should do for your own home. This is where it all started. Matt noticed musty and damp smells in his home, but he had no idea how bad it was until he checked under the house. Over a foot of standing water in some areas, threatening his framing, air quality, and peace of mind. So where was all the water coming from? The first way is under the footing. When water builds up on the outside of the foundation after a heavy rain or poor yard drainage, it can travel beneath the concrete foundation and seep right into your crawl space. Visual signs can be puddled near your foundation, but often this can happen without you seeing it at the ground level. See, Matt lives on a hill, and water can travel through the soil unnoticed. Your foundation can act as a dam that stops the flow of water underground. As the water travels down the foundation, it can then enter your crawl space. The second way is through the cold joint. That's the seam where the foundation wall sits on top of the footing. Over time, water can push its way through this joint, letting water in, especially during wet weather. In Matt's crawl space, it's unlikely that this much water came in through the cold joint. The third way is straight up from the ground. High groundwater can push moisture through the crawl space floor, even if the rest looks dry. That's why it's so important to check your entire crawl space to ensure there's no water. If you notice any signs of musty odors, standing water, or wet insulation, don't wait for things to get worse. Give us a call at Idaho Drainage Solutions or click the link in the description for a free inspection. We'll keep your crawl space dry and your home healthy. Thanks for watching.